What's up, you guys? Today we're going to talk about 12 pet peeves that you should avoid in email marketing for your next campaign. Email marketing campaigns are a low-cost technique to contact a large number of individuals in a short amount of time. Many businesses, on the other hand, depend on unsuccessful tactics such as rehashed limited-time offers or cliched subject lines. Readers may find these techniques irritating, and your email may end up in the trash. In this video, we discuss 12 of the worst pet peeves in email marketing and why you should try to avoid them. Now, before we begin, please smash the like button, subscribe to this channel for more great content, and leave a comment down below letting me know that you subscribed. Your help is greatly appreciated. The first pet peeve is failure to conduct research prior to contacting someone. One pet peeve that comes to mind is when a marketing agency contacts you about a particular service, the same exact service that your company offers. It implies that the individual misfired and believes that one of your company's specializations require development, which might be offensive and make the reader dismiss their company. If you send a cold email, make sure you do some research on the company beforehand. The second pet peeve is excessively sending emails. This is when it gets to the point where constant messaging becomes spam. All this accomplishes is driving the consumers away, or given how intelligent email inboxes have grown, guarantee that your marketing efforts end up in the spam folder. You must be astute in handling your consumer email contacts. Consider how you would feel if you were in their shoes. Constant email bombardment is ineffective. The third pet peeve is failing to provide value. If someone is attempting to market to somebody via email, that email should provide something of value in exchange for the service or product that they are attempting to sell. Many times, companies may send out marketing communications that add no value to the recipient, which is a mistake. The sender needs to put effort and time in the email communication if they really want the recipient to put effort and time in as a response. The fourth pet peeve is using clickbait subject lines in emails. People are sick and tired of receiving clickbait email subject lines that say, "Here's what you're doing absolutely wrong," or something similar. Many people don't want fear or terror in their inboxes. The fifth pet peeve is no personalization. When a company's material lacks personalization, it's obvious. A message that starts with "Hey" or "Dear customer" and a blank space instantly makes me assume it's not for me. At the absolute least, businesses should make an additional effort to personalize their marketing efforts. One way to help is to offer lead magnets that allow you to collect the customer's initial name and interest. The sixth pet peeve is constantly selling. Nobody likes to receive their weekly or bi-monthly emails to find out that you're selling your stuff. People enjoy valuable materials such as news, ideas, tips, and how-tos. Give them a reason or cause to open and share the email to their friends and relatives. Spend time and money providing value, and you'll see a return on your investment. Also, make exclusive offers that aren't available on your website. The seventh pet peeve is using no approach to break up text. I get that breaking up your material into smaller paragraphs might increase readability, but it's possible to go too far. Some people occasionally receive commercial emails in which each line is separated into its own paragraph, requiring the recipient to scroll forever to read the complete message. You don't have to use all of your vertical space just because you have almost endless vertical space. The eighth pet peeve is creating content that is too business focused. Some email marketing is only focused on the company rather than the content that is relevant. Nobody cares about how successful your company is or your logo. They don't care about your feedbacks or reviews. People want to know what's going on and whether it's relevant to them. Give folks a list of things they can do to save money, time, or offer them delight or joy. That's more enticing than a self-promotional effort. The ninth pet peeve is not paying attention to preferences. When people join up for an email list to receive particular sorts of communications, they don't enjoy it when their choices are ignored in the hopes of getting them to visit the marketer's website. If you allow consumers to set their preferences for personalization, be sure you follow through on your promise, otherwise your emails will end up in the spam bins. The 10th pet peeve is excessive use of limited time offers. Some campaigns consist of a continuous, recurrent cycle of limited time offers aimed to entice you to act right away. I understand why firms create time-sensitive deals for marketing purposes, but some corporations go too far with phony scarcity. If your limited or restricted offer is repeated every few weeks, for example, it erodes the recipient's trust in you and hurts your credibility. The 11th pet peeve is forgetting to include a call to action. It just doesn't make sense not to include a call to action near or at the end of your marketing email. If you're going to spend the effort to create a campaign, at the very least, communicate what the next step is to your potential customer. Bonus points if it's simple to grasp and accomplish. Now, the 12th and final pet peeve to avoid in email marketing is emailing daily newsletters. Daily newsletters are unproductive and inconvenient. Customers will quit paying attention to them even if they do not unsubscribe. Businesses may use social media, blogs, or single topic emails in place of cliched newsletters. If you insist on sending a newsletter, consider using other terminology like this and that or inside peek or something unique to shake up the usual format. Now, as a recap, the 12 pet peeves in email marketing for your next campaign that you should avoid include failure to conduct research prior to contacting someone, excessively sending emails, failing to provide value, using clickbait subject lines in emails, no personalization, constantly selling, using no approach to break up text, creating content that is too business focused, not paying attention to preferences, excessive use of limited time offers, forgetting to include a call to action, and finally, emailing daily newsletters. With that said, you guys, thank you for watching today. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment down below letting me know that you subscribed. Your help is greatly appreciated. Until next time, see you later.